Since I'm not driving, I get to choose the music, right?
Nope. It is my car, therefore it is my music.
Come on, Hamish. Give me a chance. If I was with your brother, I know he would let me.
Don't bring him up here. Him and I have some unsettled business to settle.
So it would be bad if I started saying his name.
Please don't. Please don't. Stop. 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 Fine, you can have the cord, but you're gonna be walking the rest of the way if you play something bad. What is that?
Well, this wee thing is the latest arrival in Scotland. It's pretty high tech.
Whatever, just play some music. Can you just pick something?
Art cannot be rushed, my friend.
I can barely hear it.
I can hear it now! I can hear it now!
You cannot do that ever again!
What are you talking about? That is phenomenal!
If you play another one, you're gonna be walking the rest of the 500 miles. Get out! Now!